All India Congress Committee की मखादा India Youth Congress की Central Election Commission Manipur Youth Congress की membership oinaba की enrollment ngasi hodokre. Chaokhatpa leibak ama oinaba hotnabada youth की thoudang yamna chawbuna afaba awonba leibak ama puraknaba की pandamda 11.9 laktuna asigumlaba Manipur Youth Congress की membership oinaba enrollment tawba की thabak paikhatpani. Chaokhatpa leibak ama oinaba hotnabada lamdam asigi youth sing amata oina thoudang louminnashi haina India Youth Congress के General Secretary Sarifa Ramanna Fongdorakle. Wafam asi membership enrollment launch tawbaga mari leinana BT Rota leiba Congress Bawal da pangthokiba paumi sing unaba amada fongdokhibane. Manipur gi Congress leader kaya saruk yaduna pangthokiba paumi sing unaba aduda Sarifa Ramanna makha na hai. Leibak asi gi leminaba youth sing amata oina punsinduna Chaokhatpa leibak ama oinabagi damak lamdam asi gi youth sing na IYC app download tawduna Manipur Youth Congress की membership की दमक enrollment thazin biyo. Enrollment thazin ba asi chotliba tha asi ki tang kulum doidagi hauduna tha asi ki kuntaret की नुंगथिल पुंग मंगा दा लोशिनगने मसीदा चाही तरा निपांदगी कुंट्रा फावगी मनुंगदा लेबा मियोय सिंगना enrollment asi thazin ba yagani haina su fongdoke.
One can become a member only through voter ID. No other documents will be accepted. However, in case of the nomination, apart from voter ID, we will also collect Aadhaar or driving license or else the 10 pass certificate. This is for verification of the age. So, apart from Aadhaar, we will be collecting any other secondary document also. This is only for the candidates who will apply for the different posts. There are 5 ballots where the election will be conducted. Number 1 is state president, number 2 is state GS, number 3 is district president, number 4 is district GS, and number 5 is assembly president. Although we will have all the position of VP, GS, secretary, however, the election will be conducted only at president and president and GS.